The family Cebidae includes the New World monkey species known as Capuchin monkeys. From Nicaragua to northern Argentina, they can be found in Central and South America. The history of the areas where Capuchin monkeys reside is entwined with that of the species. Humans have been familiar with Capuchin monkeys for a very long time. Spanish explorers made the first known observations of Capuchin monkeys in the 16th century. They were given the name Capuchin because of how much their fur resembled the hooded garments worn by Capuchin monks. Many indigenous peoples in Central and South America valued Capuchin monkeys as an integral element of their culture. They were kept as pets and employed in religious rituals. They were also hunted for food in some places. Capuchin monkeys continue to play a significant role in the ecosystems of Central and South America today. Additionally, well liked as pets, they are frequently featured in entertainment, including movies and circuses. However, there are worries regarding the welfare of Capuchin monkeys kept in captivity, and there are initiatives to safeguard their natural habitats and stop their exploitation.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.